Hey there! Welcome to another quick episode of I Hate Working on Cars. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear tail light on a 2010 to 2014 Subaru Outback so you can change your light bulbs. With the lift gate open, you need to find the two screwdrivery clips here and unscrew them, but they ain't really screws, they're Lego clips. Just unscrew them a little bit. You ain't taking the screws all the way out, then finagle the clips out. Once that's done, you can remove the plastic trim cover. Now, we can access the twin 10mm bolts and remove those. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. With those out, we're going to pull on the taillight straight back. If it's the first time, it may take a pretty good tug to get them out of there. You can see here while we pull backwards. These two clips here slot into the two slots in the side of the taillight there. Changing bulbs is pretty simple. Just a counterclockwise purple nurple to get them out. Tug on the bulb to get it out, just stuff a new bulb in, and test to make sure it's working. If you're doing LED bulbs, remember, LED bulbs are polarity sensitive, so you need to make sure you got them right. Now, just reverse purple nurple them back in, and we're going to put the light back in by lining up sliding the two slide clippy dippies in place. Here's another angle. Now just put them two 10mm bolts back in. Try saying that 2 times fast. When you grab the trim piece, start by trying to install it backwards. Then after you realize you're an idiot, flip it over and throw it in the right way. Snap the clips back in and you're done. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you made it this far, give the video a like and hit the subscribe button so Google will know you drive a Subaru and thus probably own a dog. I'll see you next time.